Hello, my name's Jason. If you're watching this video, it means you've started using my Eulogy writing companion, and I trust you're looking for a little inspiration. I created this tool because I know firsthand just how hard this very moment can be. When I was asked to speak at different funerals over the past 30 years, I really did struggle. Not just with the loss and the grief that comes with it, but the pressure of putting into words something that felt worthy of them. Every time I wrote something down, nothing seemed good enough, and I didn't know where to start or how to even pull it together. That experience stayed with me for years, and it's why I wrote the book Eulogy Writing. I wanted to offer a comprehensive and practical guide for people going through exactly what I did. So now, with the help of this AI tool, I'm able to share that support in a modern way. You'll find it starts gently. It's going to ask you a few simple questions: the person you're remembering, the connection to them, what kind of tone or length you'd like, and so on. From there, the tool seamlessly writes your draft into a thoughtful, natural script, one that you can personalize and actually feel comfortable reading aloud. It's private, it's easy to use, and it's ready when you are. My Eulogy Writing Companion doesn't ask for any sign up details and is completely free to use. But if you'd still prefer the ebook or something physical to hold in your hands, the book is available on both Amazon and Booksby. Thanks, and may your words honour their memory and bring comfort to all who hear them. Until next time.
He was a good man, a kind soul, and he will be deeply missed by all who knew him.